The connector object is another unique object, and when we drag it down into the scene tree, we don't notice anything within the render window. To use this object, we actually need to use two other objects with it. So I'm going to drag a cube down, and I'm also going to drag a sphere down. I'm going to separate my cube and my sphere. I'm going to go back into my connector editor. Now, first thing again, we have the use LOD option, which we can turn on or off. There's also a container 1, and there's a box to the right of this. This box is waiting for a container, so I'm going to drag my cube container into this box, and I'm going to come down here to container 2, and I'm going to drag my sphere down into this box. And when we do that, we have this connecting line in between them. Now, there's an option here for connection point, one by x-axis. There's one for the y-axis and z-axis. All of these settings just basically tell us the start point of our line in between here. When we change this, you won't notice much of a difference, but it does set the start and end point for your two objects. There's a line width, so we can adjust the width of that line, and there's also a line color, which we can adjust the color of it as well. So when we come down here and move our cube up, down, left, or right, however we move it, that line is going to follow it. Same with the sphere, we move it left, right, up, down, forward, or backward, that line will follow it however it goes.